Hello guys and welcome back to Bittruth, your host Mark Coulter. In today's video we are doing a daily mining video. Of course today is the 23rd of June 2018 and the mining on Zcash has gone pretty terrible since the difficulty has I think raised, and I think I might be switching to another coin to mine. Maybe I'll find one. Okay, but since we're now in the cryptocurrency market dip, I don't think it's the best time. Anyways, now we're mining at a hash rate of 947 solutions per second, and the average of the last 6 hours is 998. Now the payments, we've got like daily payments. They are fluctuating. Some of them are like on a daily basis you get 2 or 1. Mostly 1. As you can see, we're getting less Zcash the more time goes by, and this is not great news since my GPUs are just producing $40 a month, which is nowhere good nowadays. But since we're having a cryptocurrency market dip, what can you say? Now the market currency, the cryptocurrency market now has saw another dip. Okay, we saw another dip, another like percentages. And some cryptocurrencies are recovering, some cryptocurrencies are hovering as a bullish coins like Binance or BNB. Okay, but the fact is, where I want to come with my conclusions, I saw some YouTubers give their opinions on the market right now and giving their optimistic opinions on cryptocurrency and speculation, and a lot of people are just giving some predictions, the way the market is now reacting, the way on emotional scale rather than a market scale. Bitcoin was once at 256 million, but it wasn't as hurt as now, because let me tell you something, the way the now market is going is really not good since we're having the media. I think a lot of you have saw John McAfee just get sick or poisoned by someone, and this is going to hurt the cryptocurrency market. Why? Because people are going to think, because people don't think with their brains, they visualize, they just look and they just interpret things. They just look at this, oh, hospitalized John McAfee, isn't John McAfee just supporting Bitcoin? Let's run away because it will hurt us, or someone will hack us, and you're having hacks and you're having all that stuff, and you're having, what was that exchange? Bittruth got hacked. Now John McAfee got poisoned. So where it comes is, at the core of this, is that what I believe is that the market is not reacting in the way that we should speculate, Bitcoin's not going anywhere or something. The way we need to interpret this is not in that way. You need to go against the crowd. I'm not saying to actual buy. I'm not a financial advisor in any way. But what I'm going to tell you is that the media today is reporting in a way that is really biased. Okay, please hear my words really. The next time you read an article, you need to remember my words that I say right now. Literally right now you're having analysts, journalists, or even bloggers or whoever there is. They're just reporting based on their opinion of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, not based on like true, honest review. If that was the case, you wouldn't see the market right now wiped off and no one is investing. That's because people are not. Okay, they're not listening properly, and the way the message is delivered by these agencies is the way that is really just out of topic, because these people just either give a really bad way of actually describing the situation or a really good way. So you're not having that real honest review. Okay, you're not having that honest speaking or that honest tips. I mean, let me show you some articles. Oh, Bitcoin is melting as bad news piles up. When you read the article, it just lets you feel that it's so negative. It doesn't give you the honest, because the fact is, who writes the article depends on that. It's not, the fact is, it's all based on emotion, not based on facts or logic. A lot of people just put their opinions in the blog, or they put their opinions in the freaking article or the paragraph. It just doesn't make any sense. Okay, $30 billion wiped out of cryptocurrency market takes another beating. And without even reading the article, I just wanted to give you the tips. Maybe the article is good, maybe the article is bad, you don't know. The fact is, where it comes is that the article itself might destroy the whole perspective of the consumer, or let's say like the miner or the buyer. Depends on if you're a miner, a buyer, investor, whatever it is. The way the message is delivered to the to the hordes of sheep out there is really wrong. Because why I'm saying sheep is because people just move together. No one thinks, like, no one opens the box and thinks in a unique way. Everyone just wants the direct answer. If someone told me it's bad, it's bad. If someone told me it's good, it's good. And another thing that is just bullish news on cryptocurrencies, and I'm not saying this, okay, that cryptocurrencies have saw a lot of winters, but during those winters there was no media, there was no news to destroy the actual cryptocurrency reputation in the investor's mind. Here comes the problem, okay? At this stage of cryptocurrency, we don't know where cryptocurrency is going because we're having another player come in, and it's the big player that is actually responsible for millions of propaganda through thousands of years, and it is news. News are always biased. News are always based on emotion. News are always controlled by a few entity, and this is the problem, because you don't have an honest opinion anymore. You just have either pure speculation, or someone who hates Bitcoin, or someone who lost maybe a few $1,000s with Bitcoin and now just giving a negative opinion. When he gains, he just gives positive opinion. And I think we all saw that on December, and there's no exception in this. Okay, the cryptocurrency market is not only manipulated, it's also manipulated by news, which is hurting even more of the cryptocurrency market than the market itself, because Bitcoin was at $256 million market cap. I mean the whole cryptocurrency market. The market was at $1 million at some point, but it kept evolving because there were no news. Cryptocurrencies were just cryptocurrencies, you know, the reputation were really good. Okay, before media just jumped in. And that's all I have to report for today. Thank you guys for watching. Mark Luther with you on the channel Bittruth. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and let me know what you think down below in the comments down below. And will you actually invest more money into cryptocurrencies? Will you sell panic or panic sell? Will you perceive any of the things that I said in a negative or positive way? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video.